Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I would like to show you how to apply the green tea and aloe clay facial mask. But before I actually show you how to apply this beautiful clay facial mask, I would like to let you know what are the benefits of green tea and aloe for your skin. Green tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce skin irritation, redness, swelling. It treats acne, and it also can help you moisturize your skin. The aloe vera benefits, there's so many of them, but I will mention just a few. One of them is it helps reduce sunburn. It lightens and blemishes your skin. It fights skin aging. It helps to moisturize your skin. Now that you know the benefits of the two main ingredients that this clay facial mask has, now you're ready to see how do I apply it and how it works. Before I apply the clay facial mask, I like to wash my face with the rosehip and oats powder facial cleanser. Take a scoop of the clay mask and add a few drops of water and start mixing. Now mix 8 drops of the oil facial serum. Leave this facial mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once I wash off the facial clay, I go ahead and apply some facial toner and facial serum. Now I'm ready to apply my facial moisturizer and my sunscreen. The reason why I apply sunscreen is because I apply this clay mask during the day, but if you do it at night, you don't have to apply sunscreen. All you have to do is just the 4 steps. Once I apply everything, I like to add some lip gloss. That's it. I hope you like it.